What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Billionaire Brick. It's currently like 2 a.m. It's almost 2 a.m. in the morning. We're finna hop on the charts, trading US 30. I know, man, my face dry, a little beat up, man. Got my little hoodie on. But you know, we gotta get to it. So I honestly don't know the bias for today. Yes, me. I do not know the bias for today, but the bias that I'm going to go with today is bearish. Even though, bro, that shit heading towards Asia's low, and I'm like, it's heading towards Asia's low. Today might be bullish. You get what I'm saying? But it done been days where price broke Asia's low and was still bearish. So this is my setup. This is how I'm gonna trap it. So like, basically, today Tuesday, February 25. 2025. So this how I'm gonna trap it. So when price, so I'm bullish. I'm bearish. Before price break Asia's low, I want to see price take out a high on a 15-minute chart after 2 o'clock, or I want to see price take out Asia's high between 2 to 5 a.m. If it does that, that's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna lift my setup on the 2-minute chart, right? But if price takes out Asia's low first, but it does a bullish market structure shift with displacement, I'm going to take that buy. But I'm going to only take it if it's conformed off of the 5-minute. You see what I did there? The trade, I'm going to take the trade if it goes against my bias, but all confirmations have to align up on the 5-minute chart. But if things permits itself to where it happens the way I want it to, I'm going to take my trade based off confirmations on the 2-minute or the 1-minute chart. You see what I did there? Free game. So yeah, now we're just waiting. As you can see, price is dropping. Price is going for that Asia's low. But like I said, between 2 to 5, I would like to see it take out this high right here or Asia's high. And then I'll look for sales. But it look like it's finna take out Asia's low. We just got to see. If it take out Asia's low and it start reversing for a buy, I'm going to take it, but all confluences have to align on the 5-minute chart, like I said. So let's see. All right, y'all. So we in for a sale based off the 5-minute chart. As you can see, price created 2 bearish fair value gaps. And price is coming into that first fair value gap. So we selling. Targets is that white, this line right here at the bottom. You see this line right here? That's my target. The true target is right here, previous day's low. I want to see if price is going to come down and take out previous day's low. So yeah, we bearish. So I had to switch it up. I know I said if it break Asia's low, I'm going to look for buys. But I feel like if my bias is bearish, I need to stick with it. And anything that I see that goes towards it, I need to take it. You get what I'm saying? So right now we negative $10. I basically want to see price respect this. So we have 3 to 5, which is silver bullet. It's really 3 to 4. I'm probably not going to watch this trade, but I basically want to see price respect this. Maybe drop down, create another bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute between 3 to 4, and then drop down some more and hit my target, and then take out previous day's low. I know it sounds like some unicorn shit, but that's just what we're looking for. So yeah, I was like, nah, ain't no sense in me trying to look for me to buy Asia's low if my bias is bearish. Like, I can't go against the higher time frame. So we just gonna see. My original position was like, I was gonna make $600, but I took off half, you know, at $97. So I got, even though the trade still running, I took off $97, and then I'm gonna let the rest just run. So if I let it run, basically, it's like almost a 1-to-1, risking 260 to make 322. But like I said, I took some partials off. This originally was 600 and something, but I had took some money off of the trade, and that's something that I started implementing. Like when I'm like a couple hundred in profit, like 200 or something, why not take like $100 off? You know what I'm saying? And then it's gonna make my risk smaller. And yes, it's gonna make my TP smaller, but it's like, it's all about thinking in the terms of like long term. It's not just a trade by trade thing. So it's not just, oh, this trade, you know, I'm thinking about it as an overall thing. Overall, if I do this, that'll help me out. Imagine if I risk 500 to make 1,000, and when they get to TP1, instead of me just simply moving my stops to break even, I take off half the position and then move my stops to break even. So I take off 250 and then move my stops to break even. So if I get stopped out, it won't be no, oh, I got stopped out, I didn't make no money. It'll be I got stopped out, but I took off $250 before I got stopped out at break even. You see what I'm saying? So it's like a overall point of view. So, man, I hope this bearish fair value got hold. And I'm actually finna go to the gym because it's 24/7 Monday through Thursday. So I'm finna go in there and get this work in. All right, guys, we on the way to the gym. Finna go get this workout in. Yesterday I did like arms. I did arms, goddamn. I did what I do? I did chest. I did arms and chest, and I did trapezoids. I did my neck. Hit that motherfucker one time. Today I'm doing my I'm gonna do stomach. Today supposed to be stomach and cardio and back. So I'm gonna do some stomach exercises, some stomach workouts. I'm going to do I'm probably gonna run a mile on the treadmill. And then I'm gonna do stomach. I'm gonna run a mile on the treadmill. And then I'm gonna do some pull-ups. I'm gonna do different pull-up variations for my back. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, pull-ups help with your shoulders, your arms, your back, all that good stuff. But, yeah, man, I just want to talk to y'all folks about, I ain't gonna lie, I've been having it rough, like, with the trading. I'm doing better now, bro. But, like, basically, when I first started trading, bro, I used to study so much. Like, I used to study, like, literally 20 hours a day, and I used to go outside like three times a day with my big brother to have a smoke break where we would smoke just to take a break, and we'd go back in the house and I would get right back to it, bro. Like, I'm talking about every day, all day. And it's like I was doing that because I was trying to master it. But once I found out, I'm like, as I got older, I realized that it's technical analysis ain't nothing. Like, you can learn that shit in a week or a couple weeks, but it's like, all that time that I was studying, I should have been focusing on working on myself. I should have been trying to change my paradigm. I should have been trying to change a lot of things about me. I should have been trying to change my habitual behaviors, because we all were born, like, we all have a paradigm. And the paradigm is installed in us between the ages of 1 to 4 years old. So by the time you a teenager, you already fucked. You get what I'm saying? Depending on your environment and how you grew up. So it's like, I'm gonna keep it real. I grew up with a fucking negative paradigm because of my environment, circumstances, people I was around, but the people who raised me, my mother who raised me, her paradigm and her habitual behavior and her subconscious beliefs were low-key projected onto me. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, I had a negative aspect on money and love and relationships and life, you know what I'm saying? But as I got older, I realized, like, bro, you gonna have to change your paradigm because you fucked up. So I started working on changing my paradigm. I started meditating. I actually started meditating at a young age. Like, I started meditating when I was like 16. I'm not gonna lie. So I started meditating. I started, reading affirmations. I started expanding my vocabulary. I started, as I got older, like now, I surround myself with like-minded people like myself. But in the past, it was hard to find like-minded people like myself because of my surroundings and my circumstances. But, as I got older, eventually that universe gonna take over. Eventually, everything gonna take over based off of your subconscious beliefs. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when I was young, I had those subconscious beliefs that I'm gonna be rich, I'm gonna be a millionaire, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be very prosperous and abundant. I'm gonna have a lot of abundance of things, and I'm just gonna be, traveling and just living a good life, positive energy, positive frequency around me everywhere I go. I project positivity out and I get it back, X, Y, and Z. I used to say all these things out loud and to myself and in my head, and it's like, as time goes by, you see the shift in reality based off of the way that you think. Because if you think a certain way, like, you have a frequency connected to your body, and it's simply based off of the way you think. It's simply based off your paradigm. So it's like, if my paradigm was negative, I had to change it to a positive paradigm. So I started doing certain things, and now my paradigm is starting to change. I'm starting to realize that, bro, you don't need to study as much as you used to. I have reached a point to where I don't have to do that no more. So if I don't have to do it, why would I do it? Because the whole reason why I started trading Forex was for time freedom and financial freedom. So it's like, I reached a point to where I don't got to do that shit no more. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm Gucci. So it's like, one of the things that I was battling was, like, I was thinking, like, the more trades I place, the better. How do I say this? The more trades I place, the more money I was gonna make. But in reality, that's a lie. You get what I'm saying? The less trades you place, the more money you're going to make. The more trades you place, the more you are opening the door of opportunity to lose a trade. So if you have a strategy and your strategy works, and you see the game of the markets is, bro, the best loser wins, and you have to save your losses, and you just gotta like hang in there. So in order for you to hang in there, you can't get fucked up too fast. So you gotta take your time and shit. Like, you gotta trade, like, you gotta trade once a day, bro. Find your session. You gonna trade New York kill zone 8:30 to 11 a.m. or you gonna trade London kill zone 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Which one is it? Once you find out which one it is, stick with it. Place 1 to 2 trades within that time zone. It's okay to place 2 trades, because a lot of people get themselves a second chance after they lose. But I would say stick to 1 to 2, preferably 1. I would say if you get your first trade wrong, just stop trading for the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? Don't come back to the market after that, bro. For the people who starting and who grinding and who trying to get to the level of, like, I just want to let you know, like, bro, study technical analysis, get your strategy down pat, but don't OD it. Don't go, like, searching for too many things to put into one strategy to make it perfect. You get what I'm saying? Like, don't go adding on too much. Keep it simplistic as possible. And once you keep it simplistic as possible, work on your psychology, change your paradigm. Ask ChatGPT, how can I change my paradigm and make it more positive? How can I have a positive paradigm on money? You know what I'm saying? On trading Forex. Do all that. Once you do that, bro, follow whatever it's telling you to do, bro. Like, man, how do I say this, bro? Like, it's about the technical, but it's not, bro. It's all about the psychology, bro. Like, I want you to know that you can do everything right in the markets and still lose, but is you going to have your mind right enough to not jump back in there and try to place another trade and open up the opportunity for you to lose even more money, bro? Best loser wins. Be the best loser you can be. How can you be the best loser? If you lose your first trade, don't trade for the rest of the day. How can you be the best loser? By following your rules. How can you be the best loser? By trading 1 kill zone between 2 to 5 a.m. or between 8:30 to 11 a.m. How can you be the best loser? By being patient on your entry. How can you be the best loser? By studying technical analysis and making sure that you got your, like, having a directional bias. You know what I'm saying? Based off the daily time frame. If you are a day trader or a scalper, how can you be the best loser? You need to start, like, figuring out how can you be the best loser that you can be, which is honestly the best. The best loser is the best trader. That's why it's a trading book called The Best Loser Wins, bro. The best loser is the best trader. These people like Q Banks, Warren Buffett, Lambo Rayul, TJR, TT Trades, Argo, ICT, anybody who's a profitable trader, bro, they simply are good at losing. You have to not let your emotions get a hold of you when you're losing, bro. You get what I'm saying? How bad can you take a loss? How well can you handle a loss? you have to handle losses strategically if you want to make money in trading. You have to handle losses unemotionally if you want to make money in trading. And it took me a long time to realize that, bro. It took me a long fucking time to realize that. And I'm just now starting to get back to where I was at, bro. Like, I'm just now starting to get back. Like, I had to get my mind right. You ever heard of something? I had to leave that alone and get my mind right. Leave that heart alone and get my mind right. Bro, you got to get your mind right, bro. Get your mind right. But with that being said, man, we finna go in the gym. We finna go stupid, nigga. I'm a motherfucking beast. Can't nobody stop me. Can't no one losing trade stop me. Because I know my strategy gonna work. It's gonna work. You gotta let it all work out. You gotta let it all work out. Let that shit work out, man. Motherfucking beast, motherfucking monster. You gotta get amped up, man. Nigga finna go in the gym and get this shit rocking. Whew. Getting this massage chair, y'all. Getting this good massage chair. You gotta get yourself a massage, man. Once you finish working out, you gotta get your little massage going on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So we just finished working out. We in a massage chair. Ooh-wee. This shit make you feel like you about to fall out the chair. You feel me? Feel good too, y'all. Gotta get those muscles massaged, you know. You just worked out, you tensed up. You know, when I leave here, I'll probably give me something to drink. You know what I'm saying? Then later on, I'm gonna go to the charts and we're gonna see what's been happening. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was low-key like losing my mental, bro. Like, I was low-key losing my like psychology, bro. Like, I wouldn't say losing it, but it's like I was letting it slip away from me. I was forgetting the basics, like not over trading and stuff. Like, I was getting so good with trading to the point where I was calling out my moves, you know what I'm saying? Like, to the pip, like, oh, it's gonna go here, then reverse, and it would do it. So I was basically thinking that I was untouchable. And trust me, once you start thinking you untouchable in the markets, that's when your ass gonna get humbled. And then you're gonna be like, back to the basics. You're gonna always have to go back to the basics. You get what I'm saying? Like, meaning like you're gonna always have to stand on the principle of trading. So it's like, don't let the principles and the fundamentals and the basis of psychology slip away from you once you start to get that feeling of euphoria from having some nice trades. Like, it done been trades where I risked $200 and made $1,400 in a matter of an hour. So imagine catching trades like that consistently. Of course, you're gonna get a euphoric feeling. You're gonna get excited. You're gonna feel untouchable, not knowing that you must forgot you gonna have to, some losses gonna come. And when them losses came from my winning streaks, I didn't know how to take them. So it was causing me to be negative, basically, net wise, like money wise in my account, not as a person. So it's like, I was thinking that I didn't know how to trade, you know what I'm saying, whenever I got stopped out. Cause like I said, I wanted to be so perfect. But I started realizing, I'm like, bro, like, you know how to trade. You just trading too much. One thing, you trading too much and you changing your lot size. So I was thinking that if I lost a trade, that means I didn't know how to trade, when in reality, everybody loses. So one way to handle a loss is, if your strategy has worked before and you've lost a trade, keep your risk the same. Like, keep your risk the same. Keep everything the same. Don't change nothing. If you went on a 5-day winning streak or a 2-week winning streak, or you done caught good trades before and you come across 2-3 losses in a row, bro, keep everything the same. Because if you change anything, bro, you're gonna fuck up big time. And then you're gonna think you don't know how to trade. I'm telling you, you're gonna think you don't know how to trade. You're gonna be like, man, I don't know how to trade. When in reality, you do know how to trade. You just doing small things wrong. Like, you trading too much and you changing shit in your strategy. You changing your lot size. If you change your lot size, you're not gonna be able to see a true positive equity growth based off your strategy. You get what I'm saying? Everything has to stay the same. Once you build consistency with risking a certain amount of money per trade, then that's when you can change your lot size to a higher amount. Once you get consistent with risking $100 per trade or $50 per trade, then maybe you can boost it up to risking $200 per trade. You wanna focus on the risk. Like, when you trading and you marking out the charts and you finna enter the charts of X, Y, and Z, focus on your entry, focus on your bias, focus on your exit. Of course, focus on all that, but mainly focus on how much money you risking, because you want to be in this for the long run. You don't want 3 trades to take you out the game. You want to be able to stay in the game as long as possible. And the only way to stay in the game as long as possible is to keep your rules the same and to manage your risk. And when shit gets tough, when shit gets rocky, when shit look like it's starting to go downhill, all you simply have to do is keep everything the same. That was my biggest problem. We so used to changing, you know, trying to change as much as we can with our strategy to make it perfect, when in realization, imperfection is perfect. So your strategy not being perfect will make it perfect. You get what I'm saying? So you don't have to keep adding confluences and adding stuff onto ideology and technical. Just keep it simple and don't change it. If it has made you money, if you have back tested it in the charts and seen over a period of time you would have been profitable, why not keep it? You know what I'm saying? You're gonna come across a losing trade. Like, that was my biggest thing I had to like understand. Like, bro, you can literally trade everything correct and still possibly lose. You get what I'm saying? You can study your ass off. You can back test 30 days in a row, and you can place a trade and you can still lose that trade, even if you did everything correctly. So that basically taught me to like manage my risk, because if I'm in a game where I can do everything right and still lose money, and the goal is for me to make money, but I know statistically, based off of my strategy and my risk to reward ratios per trade, that I will make money over time if I keep it all the same. When I come across those losses, I simply have to not change nothing. And that was the biggest thing that I had to stumble over, like the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, really the last month, was, you know, not changing nothing when I lose. Stop trying to be perfect and just let it work out. Let it all work out. Let everything work out, man. That's the biggest like takeaway I want y'all to get from this video. Let it all work out. You study technical analysis. You know how to trade. Don't worry about the losses, bro. Just let it all work out. Take that away from this video and take away changing your paradigm. A lot of people have negative paradigms that they are unaware about. You know what I'm saying? When you lose money, you get lethargic. When you lose money, you get sad. That is a paradigm, a negative paradigm that you don't even know that it's like a spell on you, that you don't even know is on you, that you can release it from you if you change your paradigm. Change your subconscious belief so you can change your habitual behavior. You have a habitual behavior. You have a way that you have a specific way that you're going to respond to things. Like, and you can't do nothing about it until you change your paradigm. So you wondering why, like I've been wondering, like, why can't I do this? Why can't I do this? Change your paradigm. Change your paradigm. Change your subconscious beliefs. Change what you believe in. Because, like, I know you be telling yourself shit and you just can't do it. I'm going to get up at this time. Can't do it. I'm going to read this book. Can't do it. I'm going to read 3 pages a day. You read 3 pages a day for 2 days and you stop. You can't do it. You can't finish. You lose money. You get sad instead of happy. Instead of letting that pump you up and you know you got another shot, another opportunity to make more money. Like, look at the way you handling things. You handling them negatively. Why? Because of your paradigm. Because of your subconscious belief that's causing you by default to have a habitual behavior based off of circumstances, based off of things that happen to you. You get what I'm saying? So my massage chair done, man. I'm still tired, y'all. I'm finna get out of here. Probably go get me something to drink. And then we're gonna do a recap. We're gonna do a recap later on about the trade that I took. Oh. So I'm about to get out of here. Hell, that chair, that chair was good. They got the little The little joint. Got the little couch. You know what I'm saying? You got this shit right there, the little shit right there. Yeah, we finna get out of here, man. We just got to the gas station. I'm not gonna lie. The lights on around this motherfucker. But this shit look like it look like they closed. Let me see. Is they open, y'all? Oh yeah, they open. Bro looking all crazy and shit. Yo, big dog. That boy say, big dog, fuck with me. No. That's bad for you. No. All this snack shit. Walk straight past all the snack shit. Let me show y'all how we do it. See, you gotta get straight to it. $5. What we gonna do it? We gonna do what we do right here, y'all. We do the muscle milk. It be $5, but it's worth it. I ain't gonna lie. When I first started working out at 19, this shit used to be like $2, I swear to God. But you know, inflation happens and things go up. So this shit basically is $6 because it's like $5.49 plus tax. Yo. What that is? $5.19. So y'all don't think I'm capping about the time, bro. It's really 4:25 a.m. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't do no capping, bro. It's early as hell, bro. Alright, we just got to the missile. Well, I tell you, this camera looks so clear. Would y'all believe that this a phone, bro? This a whole phone camera. This shit clear as hell. This the 16 Pro. This shit was designed for people like me, like YouTubers. Then we still got the 13 Pro. And got the 15 Pro. We got the 13, the 15, and the 16. But this camera quality is good. Like, so look at this one. You see, they both really good though. But this one that I'm on, this 16, the joint lit. But yeah, we finna go in here. Got my girl with me. Got my daughter with me. Probably finna grab some kicks. You know what I'm saying? And a little t-shirt. You know, I'm a simple guy. Don't take much to make, you know. Don't take much for me, you know. Probably get some grub too. But yeah. Huh? Hey, I want to get something to eat first. I just don't like how we gotta walk past goddamn, what's it called? What's that shit called? Damn, what's that shit called? Yeah, Millie Merge. Bruh, when y'all be coming to the mall, bruh, do y'all be like, I know y'all, you know, like the booths that you walk past, right? So it's like, it's just one booth in Perimeter Mall. Bro, they be on everybody's ass, bro. It's like, bro, let people breathe, bro. Yeah. It's like other booths, they let you walk past, like, they don't even say shit. Like, they just let you walk past. Some booths, you know, they say something. We could keep going this way. They say something, and then they keep it pushing. But that booth, that booth, the Millie Merch booth, boy, they be on a nigga ass, boy. They be goddamn, it's like they don't get the hint. Like when you say no, they keep on talking and shit. Like, one time I walked past, they were like, oh, you want da-da-da-da. Then I was going inside JD, a store called JD. They told us, oh, but you finna go spend money in JD. Bitch, I spend my money wherever I want to spend my goddamn money. The fuck? And that's why I ain't buying shit from there no more. I have, like, in the past, I bought, like some hats from them and shit. She charged me $100 for one hat, $50 for the other hat. You get what I'm saying? I'm like, boy, I ain't shopping with y'all no more, boy. Y'all nigga got me in here spending money like I'm at the Gucci store. Can't do that. Check.
Yeah. And then really
Got Nike with the go drip check. With the LV drip check. She got the little kicks on.
This is for, no, this is good. Okay, the other. Oh, look, they got all the goddamn dripping here, boy. Look at that shit. I pay like 8. Huh? I'm getting 2. I don't need this. Why y'all get no shoe? Why y'all get no shoe though? Oh, sorry. That shoe hard. I was literally just looking at them in JD. I had grabbed a different color. Them bitches hard.
So right now we at AT&T.
Good.
Basically finna switch that cellular, switch that phone number. After I leave AT&T, we're going to the crib and we're gonna go over that trade that I took today in the morning, and we're gonna basically just go over the whole psychology behind the trade and X, Y, and Z. All right, YouTube, chill. So we're back in this thing. Jay got back. Oh yeah, Jay got back from the mall. Finna go over what we got. Got some tennis shoes. You know what I'm saying? Just a little tennis shoes. Got some little sock. It's a Nike sock. Got another tennis shoe. Don't try to steal my swag, y'all. Don't try to steal my swag. Got these. Got some Foot Locker shit. Got some Sephora. She got a whole bunch of shit. It's fun. She spent goddamn. See this shit. She spent $244. She spent $244 on Sephora, which is crazy. Then we got these for the little one. And there's some more stuff, but yeah. So that's what we got. We went to the mall today, so we're finna do a trade recap. We're finna go over the trade that I took, and we're finna just do a trade recap on today's London session. So let's get into it. All right, YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, it's the next fucking day. But I came back to the charts to show you all the trade I placed yesterday, which is supposed to be a part of, I was supposed to do this last night, but I ended up being sleepy. But honestly, bro, looking back at this trade, I'm not gonna lie, this was an undisciplined trade. It was an emotional trade, even though it paid out. So my bias was bearish, right? And you know, I know I trade between 2 to 5 a.m. So after 2 a.m., price came into that bearish 5-minute fair value gap, and I simply sold. Now, I usually only do this. I usually only sell after 2 a.m. if it comes into a 15-minute bearish fair value gap or bullish. So if I'm bearish and after 2 o'clock, price goes into a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, or after 2 o'clock, price is already at a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, then I just simply sell. But 5-minute, no, because the 5-minute don't hold that much power. But so I would say that even though I made money, this trade was a little undisciplined. So price came into this 5-minute bearish fair value gap, started taking off, so I sold. And I didn't, normally I would aim for previous day's low, but I didn't. I aimed for sell side liquidity. Let me see. Where my little thing at? Oh. I aimed for sell side liquidity, and as you can see, it hit TP, and then it came in reverse. If I would have aimed for previous day's low, I would have got stopped out before it took out previous day's low. So that's the trade from yesterday. I mean, you all want to know what's going on right now. Shit, I'm in the trade right now. I took some of my money off. That's why it's only at 120. I took off like $50. I took off half the position, but we're gonna show y'all what we did today. So today we have, I found like, so now y'all, I trade between 3 o'clock and 3:30 a.m. It's still between that 2 and 5 a.m. London session kill zone, but I'm more specific now. Now I'm specifically trading between 3 and 3:30 because I did some back testing and I seen that on the 5-minute and 1-minute, you get a good setup between that time. So we have sell side liquidity taken out, right? And then we started pushing higher. We broke these highs on the 5-minute. We broke this high right here, right? Once this right here on the higher time frame on the 15-minute is a change in state of delivery. These was down closed candles and price broke that. So once I seen that, I'm like, okay, we definitely bullish, but let me wait till my time zone. So I waited for my silver bullet. We came and took our sell side liquidity. We burst it up. And what do? We came into a 5-minute fair value gap right before 3:30. This is 3, this is 3:30. That's specifically when I enter. And as you can see, specifically, ironically, magically, between 3 o'clock and 3:30, price came into a fair value gap. And then that's when I bought. And then what am I aiming for? Right here, previous day's high. I did change it to higher, but I modified it and put it back. I was like, let me not be greedy. You know what I'm saying? Let me just get out. So I did go on a losing streak. As you can see, I went on a big losing streak. I'm going to just keep it real with y'all, bro. Like, a nigga got ate up. It been ups and downs, bro. But the worst thing was the losing streak I went on like last week. See, I had a winning streak, but it's like I couldn't take my losses well, so I ended up going on a losing streak right here. This is what fucked me up. These trades right here. Those trades fucked me up. These trades fucked me up. I wasn't supposed to lose this much per trade. I wasn't supposed to lose 1,000. The most I'm supposed to lose on a trade is really $250. So that was me not following my rules. And as you can see, we finna go back on a winning streak. So if this trade hit TP, it's gonna make me 265. So we closed at 54 today. So it's gonna be 265 plus 54. So it's gonna be like 3 something for today. That's not bad. So basically, I'm just trying to get the account back up. If I get the account to 54,000, or when I get the account to 54,000, I will pass phase 1 of the challenge, and then I have another phase where I have to make 2,500. Once I make that 2,500, they're gonna give me a live account. But yeah, I learned from my losing streak. I basically thought that I was losing because I didn't know how to trade, when in reality I was losing because I was trying to be right on every trade and I wasn't accepting the loss for it being a loss. So for anybody out there, I would just say when you go on a loser streak, keep everything the same, except your loss for being a loss. You get what I'm saying? Like right now, I'm in this trade. It could stop me out before, like my stops is at break even. It could simply come and stop me out and then go higher and hit previous day's high. Am I gonna place another trade? No, because I'm done trading. I do one trade a day. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to pass this challenge. Simply trading one trade a day. So yeah, this is it. Not even a trade I was supposed to go over. This trade I took today, I was supposed to go over a trade I took yesterday. I just, like I said, I fell asleep. So yeah, man, that's it. Hopefully this video was insightful. It's your boy Billionaire Brick. We out.